In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app. If you never used it before, tap on Allow and Allow while using in all available pop-ups. Then finally, to start recording, use red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on this icon on the right. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and use play button on the left. To overwrite what you already recorded, pick a perfect moment and click on red button to start. To end and save your recording, click on this square one. Now name it and hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom, those three dots at the top right corner. Hold this line over here and drag it up to also access all of those, like skip silencer. And if you wish to select transcribe over here, pick your language, or if you don't have it here, select add languages and click on this icon next to the one you wish to download. Then wait for it to appear over here. Then tap on it and choose transcribe. To get rid of your recording though, you need to hold it here, choose delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!